Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Anita, and I am a licensed mental health counseling intern in the state of Florida. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in my garage right now because I am going through a lot of items to take to my local shelter that I volunteer at, and I'm going through all my old supplies and goods and any kind of stuff that I can donate. I also hold a drive in my neighborhood, so whoever wants to donate just kind of donates to me. So that's what I'm doing today. I've got a whole bunch of canned food right here in these boxes. Got another box of goods here. Got some things like some coronavirus supplies, like tissues and toilet paper and things like that we're going to donate to some people today. So I'm about to load up the car, and I have a bunch of actually like bags and stuff that I am donating, with a lot of used clothes. A lot of them are things I've just grown out of, and they accept basically all of that stuff, so that's great. And then I'm just gonna load up the car and get going.